upside down.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course.
Lucky you get to go backwards.
It's like the Pharaoh knows. We'll send the one most scared backwards. Oh, chilly! Is that it?
No.
Oh. Cool.
It's just like a mid-course break run.
Except we'll be stuck here for a while because of the floating.
Yeah. But
I think that's a pine cone.
It probably is a pine cone.
no, one of the squares on the bingo board is riding a coaster into 3 North American countries that are like widely viewed. So, like, where am I going in Mexico? And Tijuana is no longer an option, and Juarez.
Okay.
All right.
Supposedly, multiple different groups of people have all missed the Juarez toboggan when they've gone back. That's the only reason I'd go back to Juarez, is to ride that toboggan again, to see if it's as bad as I remember. If it's really bad.
See, if it rides bad, I'm not going to go on it a second time.
It's funny, the Zyklon or whatever, that was at Santa's Village Amusement Park. That's where it ended up, and they didn't even change the sign. It just still says Santa's Village. It's just like torn now.
Do we need another raft to come down and actually push us down this course?
It's working. Okay, we're good. Unless you guys just wanted to stay here.
It's like the lazy river in a bigger tube.
Except you're not going anywhere. Oh yeah, here we go again.
Oh, now we're going backwards. Somehow we're going backwards.
I hear people.
Help. Oh, here we go. Okay, here we go.
It's supposed to be fun the last raft of the day if there's no one behind him to give the extra push in the tube.
They trust one of the lifeguards to just go down this without a tube. We got this one helmet, right? Just don't slam hard enough on your head and you'll be fine.
Almost there.
Is this PG enough content for talking about making sure someone's head doesn't get hit hard enough?
Yeah, because they're not actually going to do that.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not Action Park.
It's only Action Park on like, let's say December 11th.
It's the Indiana Jones music.
I think so. Well, your video's being demonetized now. I'll just keep talking so the music's not obvious enough. Ooh, where does the escape hatch go?
Rope ladder.
Foolish travelers. You have destroyed the forbidden.
God, stop shooting! That was like so down, and then just like... No.
He's like, you will wake up. Oh, this is cool.
Okay, I can zone out again.
Uh-oh. Lift our bums.
Oh, there's more slide.
I thought that was going to be the end. Whoa!
You gotta respect whoever spent enough time realizing what level they need the water pressure.
Wow, cool.
How was it?
Good.
Great.
Good.